Hello, this is Jeff. I'd like to answer some questions about using your tractor as a generator.
Hi, Jeff. I saw that you had a doghouse generator on your website. What is that?
Well, it actually is a doghouse, but what's inside there, as you can see if you look at the pictures, is a 10,000 watt, which is plenty for your house, power head that has a reduction box, a gear box, and it's got all soundproofing, has some foam and soundboard in it. The reason the customer wanted this doghouse is to be incognito. They're an elderly couple, and they did not want anybody to notice something valuable because of where they live. They did not want somebody to be walking through, see something, and pick it up, and off it goes.
So if we have an existing tractor, can you use that?
Yes, that's the whole point of this power head. It's what they call a PTO, power takeoff attachment. People have tractors, most of them have a PTO drive in the rear, and that is spinning every time they start the tractor. The most expensive part of a generator is the motor that runs the power head. So when you say generator, that's a small motor like a little car motor, okay, 4-cylinder, and that is turning a power head that's generating electricity. So if you already own a tractor, especially if it's diesel, all we have to do is build the power head to hook onto your motor that you already have sitting there at your property, and we'll create the necessary electricity based on the horsepower of the motor. And you actually, you're more than halfway there. You've cut the costs drastically because you already have a tractor.
Okay, what does something like this cost?
Well, I think that doghouse system was under $2,000. I would like to say something more. When the tractor is running, idling, all tractors have a throttle up near the steering wheel, and you just pull that throttle down to the RPM that is needed. And we provide you with a meter that's in the home, and that meter shows the voltage. One of the things you don't get with this system is a regulator. So meaning when you have, let's say, a light bulb on, it needs one amount of electricity, and then if you were to turn on something heavy, an air conditioner, typically a generator with a voltage regulator, it would speed up the motor to accommodate the demand, where the tractor is going to be at one speed. So we find the optimum speed where the tractor likes it, doesn't mind running at that speed, and no matter what you plug into, it stays the same. You'll hear a little bit of change in the sound of the motor. However, the meter that you have in the kitchen is where the ladies like it. They can see where the electricity is, and they make sure it doesn't go down further in any kind of danger zone. And if it did, she asked her husband to go out there and just turn it up just a little bit, and then you're fine. Another thing I'd like to say about the fuel. Your tractor already has a gas tank. So you can just put a 55-gallon drum right alongside your tractor and have a pump. They make nice pumps that you can get that pump almost a quart per pull. You can fill that generator up in no time at all. Everything's contained and clean, so there's nothing slipshod about it. It's a very effective way of getting power.
Can I use this with my cart system?
Oh, absolutely. Remember, your cart system doesn't generate power, it stores power and then gives it to you. So, your cart system would take the excess energy that the generator is generating, let's say in the morning, once again, hour and a half in the morning, hour and a half in the evening. All the rest of the time, your cart system is giving you power anytime you need it. It'll be available. So that keeps you from running your generator all day long. Every time you need power, you have to start that tractor. You don't want to do that. I mean, you can. You could schedule everything to where everything starts up at 3 in the afternoon and we shut it off at 7. So you run it 4 hours a day, and the life works that way. We did that once when we lived in the mountains. But typically, the most comfortable way is a little bit in the morning, a little in the evening, and have that power available all during the night. You can turn a light on, water on, or your refrigerator cycling. So it's ideal for a cart system.
Thank you, Jeff.
You're welcome.